Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate guide to world travel. Today we delve into the heart of the USA, exploring the iconic Twin Cities of Minnesota. These two cities, Minneapolis and St. Paul, hold a unique place in America's heartland. They hum with cultural richness, economic vitality, and geographical charm. Whether it's the bustling energy of Minneapolis or the quaint allure of St. Paul, there's something for everyone. A visit to Minnesota is never complete without experiencing the vibrant spirit of the Twin Cities. Minnesota, often referred to as the land of 10,000 lakes, really lives up to its name. With a dazzling array of pristine waters nestled amidst lush greenery, each lake offers its own unique charm. Imagine a day spent kayaking on serene waters, or perhaps a tranquil afternoon of fishing. In the winter, these bodies of water transform into frozen playgrounds for ice fishing and skating. From boating to fishing, Minnesota's lakes promise an unforgettable time. Did you know Minnesota holds a rich tapestry of Scandinavian and German heritage? This influence is deeply woven into the state's vibrant traditions, flavorful food, and distinctive architecture. Minnesota's folk dances and festivals, like the engaging midsummer celebration, echo the rhythms of Scandinavia. The state's cuisine, too, brims with hearty German dishes and Scandinavian pastries, a testament to the immigrant settlers. Architecturally, the influence is visible in the charming chalet-style homes and churches. A trip to Minnesota is a fascinating journey into a blend of cultures. In the heart of Minnesota lies the world-renowned Mayo Clinic. An oasis of medical innovation, the Mayo Clinic has earned global recognition for its pioneering research and cutting-edge treatments. Patients from all corners of the globe flock to this healthcare beacon, drawn by its commitment to solving complex medical mysteries. With a steadfast dedication to patient care and a relentless pursuit of medical breakthroughs, the Mayo Clinic embodies the very essence of Minnesota's commitment to healthcare. The Mayo Clinic stands as a testament to Minnesota's commitment to healthcare excellence. The mighty Mississippi River, a significant part of the American landscape, graces Minnesota with its presence. This legendary waterway has played a pivotal role in shaping Minnesota's history, from the days of fur trading to modern commerce. It's not just about economics, though. The Mississippi is also a crucial ecological hub, supporting diverse wildlife and serving as a vital water source. Its meandering path through the state paints a picture of natural beauty and resilience. The Mississippi River is indeed a lifeline for Minnesota. Minnesota's innovative solution to harsh winters: Skyways. Imagine a network of enclosed pedestrian footbridges suspended above street level, connecting buildings in downtown areas. This is Minnesota's Skyways system, a unique architectural marvel designed to combat the state's freezing winter temperatures. It provides convenient, climate-controlled access to a myriad of downtown destinations, from offices to shops, without having to face the chill. This ingenious cityscape feature is more than just a practicality. It's a symbol of Minnesota's resilience and innovative spirit. The Skyways system is a testament to Minnesota's innovative spirit. Shopping enthusiasts, brace yourselves for the Mall of America, Minnesota's retail paradise. Housing more than 500 stores, this grand mall is a testament to consumer delight. Sprawling over a space equivalent to 7 Yankee stadiums, the variety on offer is simply staggering. From high-end fashion to quirky boutiques, there's something for every shopper. But it's not just about shopping. With an indoor amusement park, an aquarium, and a plethora of dining options, it's a one-stop entertainment hub. Mall of America, where shopping meets entertainment. The Minnesota State Fair, a tradition that every Minnesotan eagerly anticipates. This annual event, known affectionately as the Great Minnesota Get-Together, makes its mark in the calendar towards the end of summer, drawing in crowds from all corners of the state and beyond. With a rich history dating back to the mid-19th century, the fair showcases the best of Minnesota's agriculture, industry, and arts. Imagine the sensory kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and tantalizing aromas. From the clatter of roller coasters and merry laughter of children, to the delicious scent of corn dogs, funnel cakes, and other unique fair treats wafting through the air. This is where Minnesotans come to indulge in their favorite foods, discover new ones, and witness the spectacle of butter sculptures, livestock displays, and grandstand concerts. The Minnesota State Fair isn't just an event, it's a symbol of Minnesota's rich agricultural heritage, a vibrant testament to its community spirit, and most importantly, an embodiment of pure, unadulterated fun. The Minnesota State Fair, a celebration of community, agriculture, and fun. Minnesota is the birthplace of many legends, including the iconic Bob Dylan. Born in Duluth and raised in Hibbing, this legendary artist's roots are deeply embedded in the iron ore of Minnesota. His lyrics echo the state's spirit, resilient, passionate, and unyieldingly honest. His music, a melodious blend of folk, blues, and rock, mirrors Minnesota's diverse culture and rich heritage. From the North Country blues to the freewheelin' folk, Minnesota's influence on Dylan's craft is undeniable. Bob Dylan, a proud son of Minnesota, continues to inspire artists worldwide. Another star from Minnesota's constellation of celebrities is the timeless Judy Garland. Born as Frances Ethel Gum in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, Garland's journey to stardom began at a young age. Her parents were vaudeville performers who encouraged her talent, leading to her first stage performance at just 2 years old. Garland's big break came when she signed with MGM at the tender age of 13, catapulting her into Hollywood's golden age. Her unforgettable performance as Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz cemented her place in the annals of cinematic history. Despite her struggles with fame, Garland's immense talent and enduring charm have left an indelible mark on the world of entertainment. Her Minnesota roots are a testament to the state's rich cultural history and its ability to produce world-class talent. Judy Garland, a shining beacon of Minnesota's contribution to the world of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content.